Hi, I'm Damien Leonard and welcome to my training regarding gas lift equipment. As an engineer passionate in well optimization, I early specialized in well performance. Among all the artificial lift type, gas lift is my favorite one. Why is it my favorite one? Because it is the least understood in the industry. And why is it the least understood? Well, it is quite simple. When you work with other artificial lift type like ESP or PCP for instance, if you do things wrong, your well will stop producing. On the other hand, when you work with gas lifts, if you operate your well with a wrong design or do a mistake while operating your well, it might still keep on producing. For that reason, many operators do not realize that their gas lifted well is not properly optimized and lose a lot of production every day. There is therefore a huge opportunity for any production engineer willing to master the concept of gas lifts. In this training, we're going to discuss about gas lift equipment. I'm going to present you the different type of existing gas lift mandrels, kickover tool, gas lift valve pulling and running tool. I'm going to explain how each type of gas lift valve works, like dummy valve, square edge orifice, venturi orifice, unloading valves. Then I will discuss many types of special gas lift valves that you can find in the industry, like for instance pilot valve, gas lift valve with an upstream choke or with a downstream choke, swirl dummies, equalizing dummies, and many other types. We'll also take a look at the existing configuration that allow you to inject gas lifts below your packer, and we'll take a look at existing surface equipment. While it would be almost impossible to be exhaustive on such a wide topic like gas lift equipment, this course aims at being much more complete than what you can find in other training materials in the industry. Indeed, to make this course, I consulted many training and technical manuals regarding gas lift activation. I also held numerous discussions with my suppliers. Just take a look at the course description to get a better idea of the content of that class. But anyway, you've got 5 hours of videos and I can guarantee you that you're gonna learn a lot of things by following this class. This course is well suited for production, petroleum and well performance engineer to explore the possibilities of gas lift equipment available for their wells. It is well suited for field personnel to understand how their day-to-day gas lift equipment work, and it is very useful for completion, well intervention and well services engineer to fully understand the operation related to gas lift installations and gas lift equipment. As a prerequisite to this class, you will need to have a general knowledge of a well architecture and awareness of the oil field terms. It is also preferred that you have an understanding of the well inflow and outflow mechanism, as well as a general knowledge of the existing forms of gas lifts. Just follow my classes on Petrolessons if you need to strengthen your knowledge about those 3 topics. By the end of the course, you will be able to download a presentation that contains all the illustration presented in that class. You will be able to download 2 videos from Weatherford, one that explains the principle of gas lift activation and a second one that explains about gas lift backoff. And you will be able to take a quiz to take your knowledge. As a bonus material, you're gonna be able to download many technical documentation and suppliers catalog related to gas lift equipment presented in that class. This class is the second of a series of courses that I'm gonna do about gas lifts. Enroll for it today and you're gonna be on the right path to become a master of gas lifts.